Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. If you love handmade crochet creations, you are in for a treat. Today we are exploring some of the cutest and most creative crochet baby shoe design ideas that combine comfort, style, and craftsmanship. Whether you are crocheting for your own baby, making a thoughtful baby shower gift, or looking for inspiration for your next project, these adorable designs are sure to speak your creativity. So let's dive into these beautiful crochet baby ideas. Crochet baby shoes are more than just tiny footwear. They help keep little feet warm, feel soft against delicate skin, and allow crocheters to experiment with endless colors, stitches, and patterns. One of the most popular choices is the classic crochet baby booty. This timeless style is perfect for newborn and infants, offering a snug fit that stay on a little feet while adding a charming handmade touch. Animal-inspired baby shoes are another favorite design, featuring bears, bunnies, pandas, ducks, fox, or kitten instantly make baby outfit even more adorable. Tiny ears, embroidered eyes, and playful detail turn simple beauty into lovable creation. Cartoon-themed crochet baby shoes continue to trend among parents. Bright color and fun character-inspired design make these shoes ideal for memorable baby photos and special occasions. For those who enjoy elegant style, crochet baby Mary Jane shoes are a beautiful option. Their delicate straps and decorative flowers or bows make them perfect for birthdays, family gathering, and christening. Sneaker-style crochet baby shoes are also becoming increasingly popular. Inspired by classic sport shoes, these mini sneakers feature realistic detail such as laces, strips, and contrasting color while remaining stylish, soft, and comfortable.